In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the NVIDIA app is causing lag. Now there are two ways that you can fix this, and these two fixes will work for most people. You want to open up the NVIDIA app, head over to settings, and in here you should be able to see the NVIDIA overlay as well as game filters and photo mode. Now you should turn both of these off, so make sure both of those are off, and this should solve your issue. If you really want to use the overlay so you can record videos and stuff, you can try and use the overlay, but make sure you turn off the game filters and photo mode. Now see if this fixes the issue. However, if you still get the issue, try and turn the overlay off and then see if that helps. If it helps, you can download another software to record your games if this is the issue. Now another thing you should do is also head over to the drivers, click here and make sure that you take the latest driver. Sometimes if your driver is too old or something, you can get issues while using it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.